In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate backgrounds for images in Canva. If you want to quickly give a photo, a fresh custom backdrop without manual editing, this is a simple and effective way to do it using Canva's built-in AI tools. Start by opening your project in Canva and navigate to the design where your image lives. Click the image you want to generate a background for, so it's clearly selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it. With the image highlighted, head up to the top of the editor and click Edit. This opens a panel with different smart tools designed to enhance your selection. In that panel, look for the Magic Studio section. This is where Canva keeps its AI features. Find the Background Generator option and click it. You're now in the space where you'll describe the background you want Canva to create for your image. In the description box, type a clear, specific prompt for the background. Think about the setting, mood, style, and any visual details that matter. For example, you might describe a cozy indoor studio with soft lighting, a clean modern office with neutral tones, or a sunny beach scene with gentle waves and warm colors. The more descriptive and focused your wording is, the easier it is for the generator to understand the look you're going for. If your subject needs to feel grounded, you can mention surface details like a wooden table, a tiled floor, or a soft gradient backdrop. Once your description feels right, click Generate. Canva will process your request and begin building a background that matches what you wrote. This can take a few moments, so give it a little time to render. While it works, remember that the tool is using your description to place the subject in a new environment, so clarity really helps. When the generation finishes, you'll see the result applied behind your selected image. Take a moment to look at edges, lighting, and color harmony. If your description emphasized the style and atmosphere you wanted, the background should blend naturally with your subject and feel cohesive within your overall design. That's all there is to it. By selecting your image, opening Edit, choosing the background generator in the Magic Studio section, describing the scene you want, and clicking Generate, you can create tailored backgrounds in just a few clicks. It's a quick way to elevate your visuals and keep your project looking polished.